Hello everyone, welcome back to another video brought to you by WebVidTuts. This is video 3 in the HTML5 and CSS 3 training series, and in this video we'll be going over text formatting. So let's begin. So in the previous video we learned how to put content on our web page with the paragraph element and the headings element. So in this video we'll go ahead and learn how to format that text, with some text formatting. Okay, so right now I just have a basic web page that I made. I put some of the text formatting and available in HTML5, and we'll go ahead and learn about those a little bit. Okay, the first two on the screen up here are bold and italicized. The bold just has the B and a closing B tag, and the italicized just has an I and a closing I. Of course, bold makes the text bold, italicized makes the text italicized. Pretty simple, huh? And with all the text formatting options, they only format the text that is between them. So this text right here and this text right here will not be affected by this bold element right here. So these two tags only bolden the word that is between them, or the text that is between them, and that applies to all of the text formatting elements that are available. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and also these first two, they have the counterparts strong and em. These two up here do not give any semantic importance to the words, but these two right here, which I'm about to talk about in a second, do add importance to the text. Okay, and then right here we have our break line, because I want to put these two down here on a different line, and it's called a line break, as I said in the other video, and it's actually a self-closing tag or a void element, and that means it does not have a closing tag. And in HTML5, this slash right here is optional. You can actually do just like that for self-closing or void elements, but I actually like to put a space in the closing slash right there, because it just makes me feel a bit more comfortable, but it's pretty much your preference. A lot of people like just that, but I think it feels better having it like that. Okay, and we have strong and em, which are the sort of counterparts to B and I for bold and italicized. Strong also boldens the text, and as said before, it gives semantic importance to that text, which is mainly for accessibility for screen readers that a blind individual may use, and may put more emphasis on that word. And then EM, which stands for emphasis, and it actually italicizes the words as well as giving importance to that particular text. So we have a line break, and then we have some more text formatting. These are pretty self-explanatory. Small makes the text smaller. Marked, actually highlights the text pretty much. DEL stands for delete, and it just shows text that's been defined as deleted or crosses out the text. INS defines some inserted text, and the text is underlined. Superscript is the text that's like 2 to the 5th power, or something. That 5 will be superscripted up, and then subscript's the counterpart, where it's goes where the text is actually below the baseline. And let me go ahead and show you that real quick. Actually, let me fix something real quick. Actually, this right here is a good example of not closing your tags, because if I wanted to just, it's going a little off topic a little bit, but if I didn't close this mark right here, if I just wanted to do integer, it only highlights the integer. But if you forget to close your tag, and just highlights the whole thing, and if you have a giant web page, it kind of messes things up a bit. Alright, so here's how the formats look: bold and italicized. We have a line break to get to the next line. We have strong and em, just like bold and italicized, except they give semantic importance to that particular text. We have small, which is smaller, marked, which is highlighted, DL, which is crossed out, inserted, which is underlined, superscript, and we have subscript there. Okay. So that's pretty much it for text formatting. You can actually do a lot more formatting in CSS, which we'll be doing in some future videos. But for right now, that gives you something to play around with. And just make sure that you only have the tags around the actual text you want to bolden or format and whatnot. Just make sure you go ahead and close all your tags. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.